Hello, I want to invite you to join me for a workshop on an amazing technique that we call mirroring hands. Now, mirroring hands is more than just a technique. It's actually a whole approach to therapy, and it's emerged out of the extraordinary work of Ernest Rossi and his extraordinary work with Milton Erickson. I've been with Ernest for the last 15 years, and this process is just the most extraordinarily useful technique. Now, I feel it's a step forward. It's the movement forward from what we've been establishing with mindfulness, which is that sense of peace, that sense of reconnection with the inner self. But we need to use that connection with the inner self and what is really what we call our natural problem-solving capacities. Mirroring hands is a wonderful technique when the client just doesn't know. They don't know what they're saying, they don't know what to do, and it's a way of finding a connection within. Well, we all know sometimes as a therapist, we don't know. But very often both of you don't know. So it's a way of making a different connection to the knowledge, and that knowledge, which we all do have at all times, which sits within. It also helps when there are blocks and barriers, when you get stuck. This is what you will learn. This is what the mirroring hands process is all about. Now, I've deliberately broken the workshop into a couple of days. I've done an introductory program, and then the second day delves a bit more deeply into the practice of mirroring hands. I look forward to seeing you. You see all the details. The new book will be available. There's a lot going on. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.